I'd just like to repeat again that this temple is made simply so people can learn the art to practice in their own home. You see, come here for a while and be trained, or someone will go to your home and help how to establish a little center in your own house, how you can chant Hare Krishna in the park, anywhere. This is a great science of the self, science of the Supreme Self. You see, everything is very clearly given in the Bhagavad Gita, the great song of God, famous song of Krishna. It's a very scientifically and logically written, simply spoken by Krishna himself. About 5,076 years ago, he spoke that. So it's available here. So many literatures available. We request everyone should go into it. If you're going on a trip, please stop by. I'm generally speaking either at Sri Mayapur, the birthplace of Lord Chaitanya, about 70 miles north of Calcutta, a 2-hour drive. And otherwise in Vrindavan, we have a very nice center. Just Vrindavan is just by the birthplace of Krishna in Mathura. That is the place where Krishna lived his whole younger life and had so many wonderful activities. It's worshipped by all the devotees all over the world, devotees of Krishna. Or if you're going through Bombay, then you can stop by our Bombay Cultural Center right near the airport in Juhu. A very wonderful center. So many, this Janmashtami festival, the birthday of Krishna, over 500,000 people attended that festival. It was it's the cultural center of Bombay today. Biggest festivals are held there. And many of the great dancers and Vaishnav performers have gone there and sang and danced and performed. So anyway, whether you come for a visit to India, you're always welcome to stop in. And although I'm usually in the villages doing work with the people in the villages, you can generally see me at Sri Mayapur.